to congratulate the graduates today, the 200 of you who are passing out today as National Police Reservists. Take care of our security in this part of the county, mainly Baringo North and Baringo South. I wish you well, and I want to commit on behalf of the government of Kenya that we shall be shortly announcing major measures to support the National Police Service to be able to give better and more efficient services to our communities and our country. As I said yesterday, the government will make sure that every National Police Reservist in our country is insured with a National Hospital Insurance Fund. From 1st of July this year, every National Police Reservist will be insured with a National Hospital Insurance Fund to make sure that you have a medical cover when you are injured in the line of duty. You can be treated, but also we will also extend that cover to members of your families. Secondly, the government will provide uniform, and we are in the process of concluding the design of the NPR uniform, which we shall apply to every NPR officer, full uniform including footwear. Lazima tuwapatie sare kamili ya kikosi cha maafisa wa polisi wa ziada pamoja na viatu ili muweze kufanya kazi yenu kwa njia ambayo iko na heshima.